I know a bit little from this grammar, but I'd like to speak with you all day or when you are on stream to improve my English.
Thank you so much, Ibrahim. Continue to join live streams and really try to practice your listening so that your brain can begin to produce those sounds. You need to register and focus on small details with pronunciation, and then you try to replicate it. If you are lost or don't understand how to pronounce a letter or a word, you need to move your mouth differently. The muscles in your mouth are very important, and figure out where the tongue goes. Where does the sound come from in the throat? Learning English is about patience, and English language is not the only aspect. There are different topics and different ways people speak, and we have to talk like native speakers, not bring our direct translation from our first language. Sometimes when we translate our first language directly, a lot of context, a lot of figurative of speeches get lost in translation, and it comes out a different, unnatural way. But it takes time. Keep going.
Okay, okay.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?